How to turn the alarm on and off on the iPhone 14 and 14 Pro. Welcome to One Out of Smartphones tutorial videos. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to set up the alarm on the iPhone 14. I'll show you guys how to turn it on and off, snooze, wake, stuff like that. I'll show you guys all that stuff. So the first thing we want to do to set up our alarm is go into the clock app. It should be on your home screen, just labeled clock. It's got the clock logo. If you wanted to create an alarm, you can just hit that. I'm just going to go in and click on the alarm itself. You'll come to this screen here. Now that we're here, we are looking to hit the little plus button to add an alarm. Right now, there should be nothing in there. If there is, you can click on it and edit it. Right now, let's say we got nothing in there. All we got to do is hit that plus button, top right-hand corner. Once we have that set, we have a time we can set. So we can set it 5:17 p.m. You can toggle these hours, but let's go ahead and set 5:17. Let's go 5:19. So that you set your time AM, PM. Make sure that's set. You can double click for the number pad, keypad to come up, and you can type it in that way. Once you have your number set, all we got to do is come into here, and it's asking us how often do we want it. Let's say you just wanted to set an alarm for the next day. You don't have to worry about this, but if you are setting an alarm for, let's say, the week, like a work week, you can go ahead and just select all these, Monday through Friday, or if you work Monday through Thursday, set the alarm that you will be using, and then go ahead and hit back. So now here it shows us that it's going to repeat Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Next, we have the label for the alarm. That's just a name, whatever you want to code it. If let's say it's for work, just type in work, and then you'll know Monday through Thursday, it's your work alarm. Next is the sound key. Right here we have a vibration. So if you want a different vibration tone, you can go ahead and not sure if you guys were able to hear those or not, but there are little vibrations you can set to. If you have, you can go to the tone store to buy and download stuff. If you have stuff, I'm going to go ahead and not allow. I'll be leaving that. I'll go back into my alarm. That's what that is. If you have any songs and you wanted to do that, you can do that here. I currently have nothing there, so I got no songs to pick from. But there are a bunch of random, I guess, the ringtones that are stock on the device. So that's the one we want. All you got to do is hit back, and we're going to go ahead, and I'm just going to go ahead, hit save. And this tells me that I have an alarm set for 5:19 it's a work alarm, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So if you have it lit up green, that means it is active and it will be going off. If it is gray, that means it is deactivated. So let's say you have a week off. All you have to do is deselect it. You don't have to delete the app or delete the alarm. You just have to deactivate it. When you come back to work the following week and you need it, go ahead and select it. So now that we got that, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to hit the sleep and wake. Just gonna go ahead and demonstrate that there. Reset my alarm to 5:20, and I'm gonna hit this into the snooze. And just like that, my alarm is now going off. It's telling me that this is my work alarm at 5:20. I got several options. We got a snooze option, which will be pretty much a 10-minute go, and then there's also a stop option. All you got to do is literally just press them, click them. There's also the side button. If you use that side button, it'll pretty much snooze it. So I'm just going to go ahead and hit that side button. And just like that, it's telling me it's snoozing. There's 8 minutes remaining, 8 minutes and some change remaining for my alarm. So on the other ones that said stop and snooze, all you have to do is literally touch that button. You don't have to slide it. You don't have to do anything. All you got to do is just touch it. So that is how to do that with alarm. So right there, here it's showing me it's snoozing. Got about 8 minutes, 40 seconds remaining. So let's say you wanted to add a secondary alarm. You got your work week, but you wanted to set an alarm for the following day, wake up early or later, whatever the case may be. All you got to do is once again hit that plus button, and right here, same thing. It just repeat never. We just want the one-time alarm label. If you got a doctor's appointment or whatever, you could select that. If you wanted to change the music, the sound, you can change that. Let's say you don't want to snooze, meaning it won't give you the option to snooze and do it, pretty much hit snooze and kind of go back to bed for another 8 minutes or 9 minutes, whatever it's set to, and do that. So just like that, we'll go ahead and hit save. So here we got two alarms. One is set, just an alarm, or ordinary alarm, one-time alarm, and right below that we have the weekly. So and then if you wanted to modify it, change it, just got to click on it itself change the hours, the minutes, AM, PM, whatever you're doing, change the sound, whatever it is you want to do. And then when you're done, just go ahead and hit save. Let's say you are done with the alarm, the one-time alarm, you no longer need it. Go ahead, select it, and hit delete alarm. Just like that, it is gone. So that is just my quick tutorial on how to set up an alarm, how to change it, modify it, go over some of the features that it shows for the iPhone 14. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you guys like this video, if you know somebody looking for it, go ahead, share it with them. If this information can be helpful for somebody, please do share it with them. And if you guys like to see other helpful tips and tricks on the iPhone 14, be sure to check out that playlist in the description below. Thank you guys all for watching. Have a good day.